The system of the death and life is Allah created for the purpose for us to do good and not to do evil. Do work for the peace and not for destruction. Be kind and not be unkind. There are people, even in Ramadan, they are not forgiven. Even in the Laylatul Qadr, they are not forgiven. Why? Because their heart is full of anger. Their heart is full of hatred. I don't like him. I don't like her. I hate this person. I hate this person. This kind of people will not be forgiven. Very important notice here. Very important advice here. If you have a hatred in your heart for any believer, then Allah is not going to forgive you in this Ramadan. You will go unforgiven in this Ramadan. Why don't you make your heart clean for everyone? Try to check who I hate in my heart today. How many people I don't like. And how many people I have a lots of anger in my heart. Then I will remove it now, right now. Prophet Muhammad said, sweep your heart every morning, every evening. Every day sweep your heart. Sweep your heart means clean your heart with a hatred. No hard feeling for anyone. What they did to you? They killed your family. They eat your money. They destroy you. They attempt to murder you. What they did? Just for small money, you are keeping hatred for your brother. And maybe he cannot pay because he has a problem. And you want to keep it in your heart. And you want to lose the forgiveness of Allah. Even in the month of Ramadan. Even in the night of Laylatul Qadr. Even this great day of Jummah. All here. Anybody I have a problem, I forgive them all. Anybody make backbite for me, or he tried to destroy me, or he did whatever evil to me, I forgive them all today. The day of forgiveness. Not just to say that in your heart, but the person you have hatred, call him. Go to him. Hug him. Say, brother, I am forgiven to you. Whatever you did to me, all I forgive you today. And if you have a money to collect from someone, forgive the money. But if you don't want to forgive money, it's your choice. Give him a time to pay. Don't pressure on him. Say, okay, you pay me anytime you like. I have no pressure on you. That is the greatest thing you can do today. Clean your heart, forgive everyone. And say to everyone, I forgive you. And they will tell you also, I forgive you too. Please forgive me too. And you say, please forgive me too.